Jai Gurudev, dear students. Today I will discuss with you all the exercise part of this chapter, chapter number 6, life cycle of a plant. As we have completed this chapter, now we will go to the exercise part of it. Okay? I have taught you the full chapter now. Now you understand what is sprout, what is seedling, what is chlorophyll, what is lamina, what are shoot, root, flowers, fruits. All these are important part of chapter. Based on these, we will do the exercise part now. Okay? We will first discuss match the following. Children, in your book, only one type of exercise is given, that is match the following, which is given at the last of this chapter, chapter number 6. Okay? But student, as you all know, in exams, questions come in the form of fill in the blanks, true and false. Okay? So I have written that separately to make you all practice, so that you have to write in your EVS notebook. Okay? So that I will also discuss with you today. Now let's start with match the following. Okay? First one, the first word is stem. This word will go with the last statement, that is, it keeps the plant straight. As you know, children, what is the function of stem? I have told you in chapter. Stem keeps the plant straight. Okay? It is the green part, and while germinating, it keeps growing and growing. As it grows, it has to maintain the plant posture also. So it keeps the plant straight. Okay? The second word is root. Now root will go with the second last statement, that is part below the ground. As you all know, what is root? It is the part which grows below the ground, that is below this, you can say, in the upper part, shoot is grown, and in the lower part roots are grown. Okay? So this option is right, or this option goes right with the word root. Now third option is shoot. Third word is shoot. Now shoot will go with the statement leaves, buds, stems, flowers and fruits. You know why? Because shoot is the part which grows above the ground, that is in the upward direction. And if it grows in the upward direction, you can see in that shoot it contains leaves, it contains buds, it contains stems, it contains flowers, and in some fruits also. Okay? So this option is right for the word shoot. Now the fourth word is leaves. Leaves will go with the first statement, that is flat portion called leaf blade or lamina. Okay? What are leaves? Means how is leaves structure? When you see leaves, what do you first examine, or what do you see first? It is something that it is flat, and the flat portion is called leaf blade or lamina. Or more easy, when you match, you can see the word leaf here. That means it is directly indicating about leaves. So this statement is in context or is related to the word leaves. Okay? So leaves goes right with the first statement. Now the fifth word is flower. As you know about flowers, it attracts insects like bees, butterflies, you have seen in various movies or in various animation or cartoons that they show that how bees or butterflies come and stick on flowers. So that they are showing that flower is a colorful and beautiful thing and it contains juice. So to attract its nectar or its juice, bees and butterflies come. So what attracts insects like bees and butterflies? That is flower. So flower will go right with the third statement of the match the following. I hope that you understood the match the following now. Now I have prepared some questions on based of fill in the blanks and also true and false. That form is very important to learn. It is not that you have only done match the following, now you have done the chapter. No, you have to do that form also, because fill in the blanks or true or false, that also come in exam. So you have to practice that form also. Okay, how questions can be done. Children, you can solve exercises or you can learn easily only when you know about this. How you can know about this? When you read the chapter properly. Okay, now we will come to the fill in the blanks. Now this is fill in the blanks. These fill in the blanks you have to write in your notebook. Okay, the first one is the part of the plant below the ground is root. What it is? Root. What is root? As I have explained you in the chapter, root is the part of the plant that grow below the ground. You've learnt about root and shoot. What is shoot? During seed germination, shoot grows above the ground and it grows above the surface. Okay? Whereas root, it grows below the ground, that is below the surface. That's why the part of the plant below the ground is root. Okay? The second one now. The part of the plant above the ground, branches and leaves is called the dash. What? Stem. As we have done in the match the following. What is stem?